Hey everyone, welcome back to our tech troubleshooting series. Today, we're tackling a common issue with the Sonos Roam speaker in 2025, that frustrating blinking blue light. If you've got one of these portable powerhouses and it's flashing blue, don't panic. We're going to break it down step by step so you can get back to enjoying your music in no time. First off, let's talk about what this blue light actually means. In 2025 models, a blinking blue light typically indicates that your Sonos Roam is attempting to connect to a network, like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, or it could signal a pairing process. But if it's blinking persistently, it might point to a problem such as a weak signal, firmware issues, or even a low battery. To start troubleshooting, make sure your Sonos Roam is charged. Plug it in and see if the light stops blinking. Sometimes, a simple recharge does the trick. Next, check your Wi-Fi connection. Ensure your speaker is within range of your router and that your network is stable. If you're using Bluetooth, try resetting the connection by turning Bluetooth off and on again on your device. Now, if that doesn't work, let's dive into a soft reset. Hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until the light turns off, then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches. For more stubborn issues, you might need to update the firmware. Open the Sonos app on your phone. Go to Settings, and check for any available updates. In 2025, Sonos has made updates even easier with automatic options, so keep an eye out for that. If the problem persists, it could be a hardware issue. In that case, contact Sonos support or visit their website for warranty options. Remember, staying calm and methodical is key to fixing these things. We've covered the basics here, but if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.